Here's the view, guys. First snow since a couple of years for me. Check this out, guys. So for me, this is the first snow since January 2022, right? So that was when I was in Romania. And from Romania, where it was snowing, I flew from there to Saudi Arabia, where it wasn't too warm or colder. Then I flew to India. Same thing, it was not super warm or cold in India. And then after that, I flew to Thailand, where it was really hot. So usually I just prefer the hot countries, warm, moderate. Now, Albania and Montenegro do not get snow unless you're in the mountains, right? So Bosnia is much colder here. And that's why this is going on here. It's not even December yet, actually. Check out this madness, guys. Sarajevo, Bosnia. Now, these hills are not as steep as in Montenegro, so it's not that crazy to walk up and down them here in the snow. But there is some traffic here you can see here. And I'm just kind of doing my afternoon walk to the supermarket and the pharmacy to pick up a few items here. So kind of an adventure here. So I'm gonna go ahead and videotape this as my daily video. So the only bad thing about this area is you can see there's a lot of traffic, even with the snow here. So my place is about a half mile from here, up the hill here. It's not a crazy far distance here. Here's the pharmacy. It says Apoteka. That means pharmacy in Montenegrin or Serbian or Bosnian. Here's Konzum. It's a supermarket in Sarajevo. We're going to make a quick stop here. A good reputation online. Got a decent selection. Low prices, acceptable. So let's go do some shopping here. We're going to get the hell out of here. Looks like the snow has slowed down a little bit here, so let's go back to the room here. We're going to make a turn up this hill here. Here we go. Just got to make sure I don't slip, right? That's the only thing. If I were to go down in the road here, I'm actually not worried about falling down. I just want to make sure I don't slide into the road with these cars coming by here. Now, there's never any traffic on this road here. I mean, it's very light. So maybe we have some accident or something up here. So we're going to go up here and make a right, and then we're going to take a left onto some stairs. And then after that, there shouldn't be that much traffic up there. You can see that the sidewalk here is kind of sloped. Let's see here if I can make it past this area here. Now eventually somebody's going to come by and get all the snow off here. Or at least most of it. Yeah. So this is kind of dangerous here. Let's see if we can get by this. Now we have another dangerous section upcoming on the left here. Here we go. The stairs here. There's a handrail here. There we go. Yeah. So up here we're going to pass the Saudi embassy, so I'm going to stop filming. So you can see it's basically almost white out going over here, this visibility here. So that's my street there. And luckily they have stairs here. So I'm going to go ahead and stop filming, and then we're going to walk to the stairs. Here we go. So looks like the stairs are clear here. And got about 1,000 feet left down this road here, and that's I'm at the end of the road in a homestay. There's an annoying dog up here. Maybe he's inside now. Wow, already it's probably 3 or 4 inches here. Here we are, on the right. Here we are, guys. Home sweet home.